This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to your iPad. So this is easy to do. All we have to do is locate settings so I can see it down here. Just open up settings, go to Bluetooth. Now make sure Bluetooth is turned on and it's searching for a device to connect it. So I have my AirPods right here. On the back there's going to be a sync button. You can't see it because I have this case. But just press the sync button down and you should be able to connect it. So I have this opened up and I can just flip open the case too, just like that, and you can try to sync, and you can see it already came up here. I can just hit connect. Otherwise you might have to take them out just like this, and then you can try pressing the sync button on the back, put them back in, press the sync button, close the case and open the case back up, and this should pop open. It says press and hold the button on the back of the charger case now. Okay, let's hold that down. So there should be a button on the back here. And they're connecting. So just like that. Announce calls and notifications. So we can go to this. Just set this up. It looks like the case actually needs to be charged at 35%. So these are not connected. If we want to bring them to a new device or something like that, or we want to forget them, just hit the I. And you can see all the different options in here. We can just go down to forget this device too. So just go to forget this device right here. And now they're not connected to my iPad anymore. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.